Today, I'm treating my family at home with homemade pizza. So the first thing I do, I set the table. I'm going to put this flat plates, and then I'll put the green napkins, and then I'm going to put this coaster so that the table does not burn, since the pan will be coming from the oven. Then I'm going to put a bottle of wine, and I'm going to, of course, light the candles because I'm so obsessed with these candles. I got them from this small Instagram. Go check them out and support our fellow women on small businesses. So I'll start with the first pizza. First thing, I'm going to spread pizza sauce all over the crust. Then I'll add cheese. Then I'm going to add some pineapple. And then I will add some mincemeat. Actually, I could have put the mincemeat on the base, but there's no limit to cooking. And then I'm going to add chicken. And then after this, I'm going to let it cook in oven for 15 minutes. And at this time, my pizza, it's ready. So this is our first pizza for the night. And everyone is enjoying, everyone is picking because it's the first pizza and everyone is hungry. With a glass of wine and a 90s baby candle lighting before me, because I'm a 1994 baby and I'm almost getting to 30. Soon I'll be 30 years old. The second pizza, so again, the same process. But this one, I'll add some mushroom to it. I already pre-cooked my mushroom in a pan, so I'll go on and spread mushroom all over it. Then I'm going to put chicken. My chicken is already cooked, guys, seasoned and cooked, so everything here is cooked. And then I'm going to add habanero. Then I'm going to add some pineapple to this, and at this point my pizza is ready. People are happy, they're telling story, and my man is warming up for the next pizza. So again, pizza sauce. This time I'll put mincemeat after the pizza sauce. Then I'm going to add some cherry tomato with cheese. And then I'm going to add some pineapple. Actually, this pizza is going to have a lot of topping because I'm just clearing now everything I have. Chicken. And then I'm going to add some olives to this one. And then I'll add some sweet corn. At this point, my pizza is ready. Look at how good it looks. Actually, the last one was the most delicious. Look at that cheese. And to be honest, Coca-Cola went well with this because we just got rid of wine. It was not whining.